What it do, y'all? It's your boy Don. So we back with another video, man. Peep the shirt, you know what I'm saying? The merch, man. I keep talking about merch, man, but we're gonna do something, man. Drop in the comments, man. Should we do the merch? We don't have the MK7 no more, but should we still do the merch though? But yeah. But other way, anywho, we outside with it, man. We got brother Joe over there, you know what I'm saying?
Sir. Give me Dan's garage, man. Yes, sir.
You feel me? He came to the right place, you feel me? So we got his truck, his Explorer right here. You know, the last of the good ones, the last of the good V8s. Oh, we got the 4.6 right here, man. We about to what are we replacing? The intake manifold. Because we got some cracks and leaks of coolant all through this valley right here. And yeah, if you know these Fords, these 4.6s, even with like the Crown Vics and stuff, you know, these intakes tend to crack and break and cause coolant leaks and stuff. So that's basically what we have here. So we got the brand new one over there in the box, got the whole assembly, so we about to get cracking at it and tackle this project. Man, what you thinking?
This shit better be beyond me.
It's finna be a breeze.
We got hit that motherfucker 2 hours.
2 hours later. Yeah, nah, dead ass. Cause we prolonging. We've been prolonging for a minute now. But we about to get after it, man. So, oh, the frame is dark. Yo, we dark. All right, there we go. But yeah, nah, this sun is out, man. It's about like 3 o'clock. But yeah, man, we about to tackle this. So, let's get it.
I mean, let's get it, bro.
Hey, how you doing? My boy drenched over there.
I just jumped in a motherfucking wave pool.
Look at sweating out here, bro. It's drenched.
We 3 hours in, man.
It's 3 hours in, man, and we ain't got nowhere. Oh, it's the only thing we was able to get off was this like EGR hose or whatever that's sitting over there in that bracket. Those are the only things we got off. You know, that's it. We didn't get no sensors or nothing off, no injectors or nothing off. You know, 3 hours in, and yeah, making great time. Oh, and which may be another video. I actually have another car. Should be arriving around 5:30. That we're gonna do some work to for this weekend. So I guess expect a little series on that. Maybe just one video. Who knows? I might not record much. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, that's coming. But yeah, now we see we got the thermostat housing off. The hose, set that to the side. Set some hoses and wires, sensors to the side. Like I said, we got that little EGR like hose off or whatever. That bracket, like I said, which is sitting over there. We're working on taking this I guess it's like throttle body assembly, I guess. Gonna work that off, and then getting this fuel rail off, and then we can get to then we'll have obviously more access to the manifold. So yeah, guys, this is where we're at right now. So yeah, I wish I had like I guess I could set you guys up and try to set you guys up, maybe do a little time lapse or something. But yeah, man, we're gonna get back to it. Alright, gang, back with it for a quick update. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this area looks just a little bit different. Does it look a little bit different, y'all? We got some things off. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. But yeah, we got a few more things off. We got some more sensors and hoses and whatnot. Right now we're working on I think we're right now working on getting the fuel rail off with the injectors. So we got like all the 8 bolts off. I think it's like 3 or 4 8 bolts. So we got those off. Actually, no, I think it's one more 8 bolt right here, I think. Yeah, that's another one right here. So we got one more 8, and then this rail should come up, and we could take the injectors up with the fuel rail. So yeah, once we do that, we already got the bolts out. Joe already got the bolts out for the manifold. Actually, we gotta take the injector. We gotta take the coils out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because they're connected right there. So yeah, guys. So we gotta take the fuel rail off. Then we gotta take the ignition coils out. Like I said, Joe already got the bolts off for the intake manifold. So once we get the fuel rail off and then inject the injectors and the ignition coils, we should be able to bring the manifold up. So yeah, man, just wanted to update you guys real quick. We getting after it, man. Like I said, like filming, like doing the jobs and filming, it makes it take longer. But I'm trying to do my best to film for you guys too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoying the content. I love filming the content. You guys already know, like I got a lot of this stuff. So yeah, man, we're gonna keep cracking at it. Like I said, our next step is obviously getting the last bolt off. Like I said, the fuel rail and stuff. So yeah, man, we'll be back with it. All right, yeah, we back with it. Hopefully I'm in frame. Let's see, yep, got my nephew in the back right there. Hands is dirty, you feel me? They getting dirty out here, but yeah, man, we got some good news right here. Flip that camera around. Yeah, big motherfucker. So I don't know if we even said it. Oh yeah, well we did. It was leaking, but I thought we was gonna see some cracks on the manifold itself, but as you can see, these gaskets are non-existent. Like, look at this one. This one cracked right here, because this was where it was like when it like splashed up. That was what, in the front. So I think it might have been this side. This gasket, guys, is like
I think
rock
this side
solid
splashed up too.
Like
Both of the sides, yeah.
shit so brittle, bro.
That shit done.
Shit sound like rocks. Yeah, and this side, like, I don't know what this gasket doing right there. That Jones like trying to come out. I don't know what the hell it's trying to do. But yeah, no, I was actually expecting to see like some cracks, because you know these Ford manifolds are like known for like cracking and whatnot. So but yeah, man, we're gonna inspect this. So we can clean this up too. We're gonna set that to the side right here. Set that old crusty thing to the side. Damn, bro, we this step closer to putting cams in it. We might as well just wait and put cams in it.
Might as well.
Plug it. Make this bitch really chopped in.
That shit crazy.
So
A lot of cleaning to do.
yeah, so I'm wondering, like, are these gaskets? Did we take this off? Is this a gasket?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, okay. So I think those stay, unless it came with new ones. Did it come with new ones?
Nah, I did. Man, we still clean this joint up though.
Yeah.
That shit like stuck in there.
Yeah, we're gonna clean this shit up, y'all. But I'm happy with the progress. It's like, what time is it? It's like, what, 4? Oh, no, it's like 5. Probably like almost 5. Been taking our time with it, man. Well, it had a little, like, part where we were kind of stuck at, but as you can see, we got through it. I'm actually surprised. It looks pretty clean here in this valley right here for the most part, y'all. I'm actually surprised. That looks pretty good. If it's dirty, you know, shit dirty.
Fuck.
But the valley right here is clean. So yeah, man, we're gonna clean up right here. We're gonna inspect the new manifold, make sure everything's, you know, the same in that aspect, and then we're gonna start with the reversal process of putting everything back on. But yeah, this is dope, y'all. Happy with the progress so far. So back with it, guys. Back with it, man. As I can see, yeah, we was up in here. We cleaning, and we just clean like the little cylinder heads or whatever real quick. I'm saying we was over here cleaning the old gaskets like some dumbasses, because a new intake manifold already come with the gaskets. So we over here kind of like just like cleaning it off, just brushing it off a little bit, just to make it clean and the surface clean and whatnot. But yeah, we don't need to use those because the new one came with gaskets already installed. So hell yeah, that's a big ass plus. Big plus, big plus. But yeah, man, this job is not that, bro. We just been taking our time for real. That's why it's taking us long. We dead ass been taking our time, and just really just like learning and experience and stuff, guys. Like I said before, guys. Like, I don't know everything, and I don't pretend to know everything. I don't want to know everything. Of course, there's some other stuff like, you know, I want to know more of, but you know, every day's a learning experience, man. Some days. You know, some days are better than others. Some days you don't get to do much. Like I said, most of my videos are breaks and things, guys. Like this, we're like somewhat in the engine, sort of, kind of with this one. So the last time I did an engine job or something was the GTI when I did my turbo. Y'all know that. So hell yeah, bro, just tractor brewski. A Delo time. But yeah, man, I don't pretend to know everything, but every day's different, man. So we just out here learning. We taking our time. We out here learning. And I want this motherfucker to learn because I know he wants to. So he's already good with his hands. So yeah. GG's.
GG's in the chat.
But yeah, we just taking our time, man. Like I said. So enough rambling. We're gonna take a quick little Mandela break because everything is just putting it back for real, and it's not a lot for real, guys. It's really just been like probably like 15 10mm bolts, like 4 8mm bolts, like 8mm bolts, and everything is just plugging sensors and hoses. So I'm still gonna show the process, but I'm just saying, like, that's why we're gonna take a quick break real quick. But yeah, we back with y'all in a second, man. All right, guys, we back with it, man. As y'all can see, we almost there, man. We got the new manifold in, everything's tight. We got all the injectors and the ignition coils all back in, nice and tight. We just put like the whole intake throttle body assembly on. We just got to put the bolts in there, tighten it down. But guys, we're pretty much here at the finish line. We just got to tighten that shit down, plug up the rest of the hoses, bolts. We still got to get antifreeze, but however, like, I mean, this is the stretch. It's the last stretch of it, guys. So shit, I'm happy with the outcome, man. I'm just hoping the motherfucker is good. Once we put antifreeze in it, start the bitch up, it's Gucci. So
this bitch ass truck.
So yeah, man.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean that.
He didn't mean that truck. But yeah, man, we in the like the last stretch of it. We putting that back on, so just figure I'd update you guys. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna finish wrapping it up, and then I guess once we get antifreeze or something, I'll turn the camera back on, let it run, and see what it do. So we're gonna finish tightening it down, guys. So let's get it. All right, back with it, man. It is freaking. What time is it? I think it's about to be 7, almost 7, 4 minutes to 7. I know I said I wouldn't turn the camera on unless we got the antifreeze, but we don't have the antifreeze yet. But however, we do still got some good news, man. We got everything back together, man. He's just swapping out his light bulbs, but everything is back together, man. Everything worked. Everything went just as planned, man. Like, slight little hiccup, but we were able to overcome it and get everything back together, situated, and everything is back together. It's tight. Praying for no leaks. Obviously we gotta get antifreeze to put back in there so we can run it, but yeah, everything's back together. Like I said, we're gonna get some antifreeze in a second, and then fill her up, let it run, start her up, let it run, check for leaks and everything like that. So once we get the antifreeze, I'll be right back. But like I said, I just wanted to give you guys an update, so let's get it. Dirty hands. All right, guys, we back. As you guys can hear, the truck is on, it's running. So far so good. No leaks underneath. No leaks underneath. So far we good up here, no leaks up here. We're gonna let the system run, let the cycle, get the air bubbles and stuff out. Make sure, you know, the heat working and shit like that. But so far so good, guys. I think we did a fucking exceptional job, dog. Like, yeah.
I'm working out.
Yeah, man, we got that bitch on. It wasn't that bad. Like, we took out like mad time. That's the only reason why it took us this long. Like, we took out mad time. Like, we took some breaks, took a brew break. But like I said, we took our time. We're both just learning, man. Like I said, every day is a learning experience, man. Every day is a new day to learn something new, to learn something else, to relearn something. So that's why. That's also why I like to do these mechanic videos, the DIY videos. Like, I mean, and then shit ain't all like gravy. Like, I don't show you guys like the mishaps of shit all the time. Like, what, you know, what can go wrong, what does go wrong actually. So it may look simple behind the camera, but let me tell you guys, it's not. And it's, you know, filming makes the job, you know, takes the job longer. But you know, I love what I do. I love to do it. But yeah, man, like I said, I couldn't be more proud of us. Like, I'm more happy for him because he got his hands dirty. Yeah. He did it. He definitely did it, y'all. He did it. He's a certified mechanic now, y'all. Certified mechanic right there. Certified by me. So yeah, he went to the class of Demidon. So yeah, yes sir. Anybody ever, you know, if you need some brakes or oil change or something, come to your boy Demidons if you're in the DMV area, the DC, Maryland area, or Virginia, depending on what part of Virginia. Like, if you're in like Arlington, Alexandria, I'll slide. But further than that, no, I'm not coming. But yeah, man. We're gonna let the joint run for a minute. Honestly, I'm gonna just close it out because it ain't nothing else to really show for real. We're just gonna let the truck run for more, but we're gonna close the video out here, man. So if you guys like this video, man, please do your boy a favor, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Let's get, I need 2 more subscribers to get to 250. You know, that was supposed to be my goal like a year and a half, 2 years ago, but you know, let's get to 250, then from 250, you know, I'm trying to get to 500 from 250. You know, we're gonna progress, but yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, subscribe to the channel, press that like button, man. Comment down below if you guys like it, if you didn't like it, what can I do better? What can I show more? Things like that. But yeah, like I said, that's the end of the video, and I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of what's about to come in the next video. Yeah, we got a charger to do in the next video. So with that said, guys, your boy is out. See you guys in the next video. Peace.